Welcome! I'm glad you dropped by. This is Safari Sam, and I'm going to show you how to write letters. Are you ready to learn how to write another letter? Animal letters help us write letters correctly. Now, if you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out our Learning to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free writing letter template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. You heard me right. You heard me right. A letter can start almost anywhere except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter J. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase j is? That's right. It's a monkey letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we write each letter, we do it 2 times. The first time is with the dotted lines, and the second time is we do it all by ourselves. Are you ready to go? Do you have your paper that you downloaded off a link tree? When I do my uppercase J, I start at the top and I go down, all the way down, and then I curl around, back up, and then I stop. There's my uppercase J. Now, some people put a top on it. You don't have to. Some people do, some people don't. Now, the lowercase j, I start in the middle, and I go all the way down, and because it's a monkey letter, what do I get to do? That's right, I get to go below the line. And when I'm done, I get to put a little dot. Not that big circle, but a little dot. Now, remember, monkey letters, sometimes people get confused and they start it way up here at the top. And then it looks like the uppercase J, kind of. But remember, because it's a monkey letter, we have to start it in the middle because it has to go below the line. All right. Now that we've done it with our dotted letters, let's get rid of it. Did you practice yours? How did you do? I bet you did well. Here we go. Now it's time to do it without the dotted lines. Remember, when we do the uppercase J, we start at the top and we go down. Are you doing it? Down to the bottom, and when we get close to the bottom, I start curving around and going back up, and then we stop. There's my uppercase J. Now when I do the lowercase j, where do I start? Not at the top. Right, I start in the middle, and I go down because with the J, the lowercase j, I have to go below the line. And then when I get done, I can put a little dot. Did you practice your J's with me? I hope you did. And remember, you can keep practicing because there's lots of lines on your paper. I'm so glad you came by to write the letter J with me. And I hope you come back to write our next letter. But for right now, I've got to go. Bye.